Experiencing issues setting up your voicemail on Mint Mobile? You're not alone. These errors often stem from provisioning failures or carrier-side configuration problems. Provisioning refers to activating voicemail services on your SIM card, which is handled through T-Mobile's network. Common error triggers include SIM card issues, outdated firmware, or incompatible apps. Recent updates have addressed many of these issues with fixes. To start, perform a basic reset. Toggle airplane mode on and off, restart your device, and ensure your SIM card is properly seated. Make sure you have also done any available firmware updates to your phone. If basic resets don't work, manually configure your access point name settings to wholesale for both data and MMS. This ensures proper network connection for voicemail services. Next, try activating voicemail by dialing 86 or using your phone's built-in voicemail setup wizard. If voicemail activation fails, contact Mint Mobile support for a carrier-side reset of your account. For advanced users, clear the phone app's cache and reset your device's network settings to force reprovisioning. Mint Mobile is increasingly using AI and cloud voicemail solutions, reducing reliance on carrier provisioning. Expect more automated AI-driven diagnostics and fixes in the future for seamless voicemail integration.